Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is September 27, 2025, and this is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the Dow 30, that's DIA, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only because, as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump over to these charts and see what we see here on the Dow. Maximize this and resize this. What we see is green. We still stayed above the yearly R1 on the Dow. The Dow looks like it may close above that. Let's see if they're going to push it down below that at all. All right, but still it's below that 470 number. Probably just going to stay up below that with the Dow, but it's still looking good. Let's go ahead and go down to our monthly chart. On our monthly chart, we can see that we are still above the 9-10 moving average. That's what this blue line here is, and so that means technically we are still bullish if we're above that. And we still do have that higher low, and we still got a higher high here on this chart also. So we're still looking good there. So let's go ahead and go down to the weekly chart and see what we see there. On this weekly chart, the Dow looks okay. The Dow is green. Some of the other indexes were red after this past week, but as we can see here for the week, the last 2 weeks, the Dow is green, and the Dow did make an all-time high again this week. So the Dow is still looking strong. That's why, again, I'm saying we had a little bit of a pullback. We do have a doji near a top and all, but I believe this market is going to keep going higher. Just zoom in here a little bit more where you can see that better and all. Yes, I do expect the market to keep going higher. One of the things, we are coming up at the end of the month, end of the quarter and all. We got one more week, and look like I'm seeing that this market come next month and all. We will be opening above pivot. So again, that's another sign for me to see that this market may continue going higher. We just got to wait and see how next week ends up and all. But let's go ahead and go down to this daily noise and wrap this on this daily noise. Zoom, 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 zoom. Here, we did get the pullback. We was kind of expecting the pullback and all, and we did get it and stuff. But look like this right here is telling me that look like we already started the reversal and all. You look at that. You look at these three candles here. All you're looking now for is another confirmation candle and all. And we're back to making new highs come next week. And that's the whole thing. Even this little down pull back, we did get a new high for the week. So the thing is, will we get a new high come next week? I kind of thinking we will. We just got to see what's going to happen here and all. But this could be just, again, end of the month profit taking and all. And this market can turn around. Anything can happen in the market. Just, again, always pay attention to your trading plans and your trading strategies and trade accordingly. But that's it. That's all I really want to share here. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And I'll talk to you next week. I thought I hit another thing, but I didn't. Guys, have a great week and a weekend. And I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.